Jotano lamsigo haino hai CNB channel ni hoite ONGC ni new job haimani morong cycle ni chika ani channel lo site of which subscribe khairi puila no nukha ONGC ni total job haimani advertisement engagement details survey junior consultant for land occupations related jobs contract basic tutor asset agotlawa post in the exam telangnai minimum qualification 10 pass medium pass ITI diploma should be necessary process minimum 3 years ni work experience tona nangai revenue official working experience survey work capacity MN surveyor kanango RI tahsildar decorators land record sufficient knowledge of computer but tona nangai kicha busujara boys apply apply man 68 total monthly salary na 35,000 and including tona 6,500 to 2,000 tona convenience jini interview date nga 3/7/2024 जों बोरै admission unai ba apply hine abo no site khanarinai interview unai working interview adinono unai adinono submit unai जों bojaga apply hine जों abo no naileyane o condition notification angno ani inbox diary nai ngaro ala nai di bam bio nai di Because applicant interest candidates may report working interview ONGC guest house of Matane, ONGC South Colony, Badargat Agotla 799014. Date unka 3/7/2024 Wednesday. Registration working interview will be done during 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Noitani hoite 11,000 missing submit payment pore close untanai. New candidates will be considered after event. 11,000 pore hete keboni submit hazagala. Dati admit from the submission khai जों abona interview ina thanai जों oro form no tongo जों form no fill up khai ni biodata saha nang tam so rinani awo apply khai nai manai